We're heading down to downtown Las Vegas and going to Pawn Plaza. We're going to be visiting Good Pie, which is located at 725 South Las Vegas Boulevard, number 140. They're right there in the corner. A little bit hard to find, but well worth checking out. In a word, the pizza here is outstanding. Good Pie is a casual hub for premium pies in various styles, from grandma to gluten-free, and there are plenty of toppings. I had a chance to visit with Vincent Rotolo, the creator of Good Pie. Here's what happened. Albert Grande here with Vincent Rotolo. Here we are at Good Pie in Las Vegas, a neighborhood pizzeria. And here are some of the pies that just came out. And here's Vincent.
Hey, how's it going, Albert? Good to see you, buddy. So we're at Good Pie here. We're downtown Las Vegas. We're at Pawn Plaza. My name is Vincent Rotolo. I am the owner. Here we do 4 styles of pizza. We have the traditional round big slices, Brooklyn style. We do the grandma. This is the real pizza that we're excited about. And then the deep dish Detroit, Sicilian style Detroit pizza. So when you're here in Las Vegas and you want a great slice, please come down to Good Pie and see us. Thank you so much.
Thanks a lot, Vincent. Take care.
Thanks for coming in. We'll see you guys in Honolulu.
Thank you very much, Vincent. And since you don't deliver to Honolulu yet, we'll have to head down to Pawn Plaza to find Good Pie at 725 South Las Vegas Boulevard, number 140, with the phone number of 702-844-2700. And if I'm looking online for Good Pie, I'll go to goodpie.com. And Good Pie is really great pie. While you're here, show a little pizza love and subscribe to Pizza Therapy on YouTube. Pizza on Earth. Goodwill.